Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
If you have your middle seat belt retracted because you want to use the back seat to fold it down, or you don't need to use the middle seat belt, and it's sitting back here and you're going over bumps and it's rattling and bouncing around, there is a clip here that is used specifically to keep this from rattling around. You'll take the seat belt, slide this part through the first opening, and then you take this part of the seat belt and slide it through there. And that will keep it from rattling around as you drive down the road.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.